Hello everybody, welcome to my channel today. So I'm super excited. I got my FabFitFun winter holiday box. Normally I film my videos early in the morning before I go out and do stuff because I'm more alert and that's the best time of the day for me. But I've been trying to get out and get all my shopping done in the morning so that I'm braving the malls and I don't want to deal with all the parking and stuff. So when I got home, I saw this box. It was on my doorstep and I thought I have to open this now, even though I'm a little bit more disheveled than I normally am when I film early in the morning. So this is my FabFitFun winter holiday box. It did take a little bit longer to arrive this time because in Canada we have a postal strike, so this one took about 3 weeks. Normally they come pretty quick, like in 2 weeks. So for me personally, I buy a year subscription. I have done just the month-to-month box before. It ends up being a little bit more expensive, but then you don't have to outlay so much money at once. So I buy a year. I think it's $179 US dollars, and you pay it in one lump sum plus the shipping, and then they send you 4 boxes for the year. And the reason why I like doing it that way, even though it's a big outlay of money all at once, is because then you're allowed to have the customization option, which I really enjoy. The first box I bought, I just did the regular one and then they sent me whatever they wanted. And a couple of the items I wasn't that crazy about and there was something else I would have preferred. So from now on, I'm always doing the year membership and having that customization feature. You do also have option to add on. What it basically is, there's a page on FabFitFun and you can buy, I'm assuming they're products that were from previous boxes and they have overstock of, and they sell them off at cheaper prices. But I did that the first couple times, but I find it really adds up. So now I just stick with the box, and I do sometimes add a couple extra things on customization because they offer, you can choose, or you can get both for an extra 10 US dollars. So I did do that this time. So let's get started. So this is the box. It actually came inside another box just because I had one of those customization things, so it didn't fit all in one box, but usually they just ship exactly like this. So this is the holiday version. It's not, doesn't really seem too festive for me. There's a little bit of, you know, stringing lights and cozy fireplace, but anyway, let's get started. So you always get a little magazine inside, and it usually has some really fun little articles, and then it has all the items that are inside the box and little bits of descriptions about them and how to use them. So I always find that really helpful and beneficial. So the first thing I'm going to show to you, this was a customization option, and this is from Halston. And it is a jewelry organizer, if I can remember correctly, for travel. I always am looking for a perfect travel organizer for my jewelry. And this had something in there that I really like for jewelry. And what it is these clips, so that your necklaces hang. I've brought jewelry things with me before, and they're like pouches for the chains, and then all the chains get all tangled up and messed up. Whereas with these snaps, they just hang nicely, and so I think this will be a perfect travel companion. It's nice and thin and light, and I can put this in my purse or carry-on, and it's nice and light, and it's Halston, which is a really nice brand. So I did pay an extra 10 US dollars for that. They always send sometimes coupons. This one is from HelloFresh, and I have a feeling these aren't available in Canada. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't subscribe to any of those dinner things. And here is a coupon to give to somebody for $15 off a box that I can pass on to a friend. And here is one of the customization options. It is a throw. I chose the gray. I think there was a choice of gray or cream. I chose the gray. It's kind of a sweatery knit fabric. I may pass this on to somebody else because I have a cat that loves to rip up knit. Anything that's like a sweater material, she loves to rip up with her teeth. So this probably won't work in my house, but it does feel like a nice cozy throw. The next item is Mer-Sea Anthropologie Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. So I don't know if this is from Anthropologie, the store. So this was a customization piece, so I could have had this or a sweet orange and eucalyptus essential oil. So I opted for this instead. It is a body cream in coconut sugar, so I know I'm going to enjoy that. Oh, this looks intriguing. Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty. It's a Canadian brand and I love their lipsticks and I'm able to wear them. I'm not allergic. And the color is Meringue. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I actually already own one in this color, so I might gift this to someone. It is a really nice pinky nude. Let me just see if I can see mine here and I can swatch it for you. This one is mine. It's a gorgeous pink. Bite Beauty lipsticks are so, so nice. So I will gift that to someone for sure because it is a beautiful lipstick. Okay, what's this? This is a tube of something. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. It's a hydrating mask. This I don't believe was a choice, so I didn't know anything about this. This was a surprise, so this is going to be nice. I love doing masks and I love traditional paint-on type of masks. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. I've heard so much about this company. Brilliant Eye Brightener. So it is a highlighting stick. So Thrive Cosmetics, I believe proceeds go to a charity. I believe it's a women's charity. I'm not 100% sure. But it is a pencil highlighter. So that'll be handy for brow bone or inner corner. So I've always been interested to try their products. So I'm very excited about that. Aha! I had a feeling I was going to get something like this in one of my upcoming boxes, and it is a Jade roller. I've been wanting to try one of these, and I asked another subscriber of mine, and I'm subscribed to her channel. Her name's Kathy's Life. And she bought a Jade roller and she's been using it, enjoying it. And I said, you know what? I'm going to hold off because I have a feeling we might get one in one of our boxes. Maybe I even chose it. I can't remember, and that's how I knew. So it's just one of the traditional Jade rollers that everyone seems to be using. They're a hot trend right now. And yes, I can see I did choose this. So that's how I knew I was getting one. You choose the items a long time in advance. You don't, well, I forget anyway. So this is something else. This is a Blaq eye mask with hyaluronic acid, and there's 5 masks in here. And this also was a surprise. So they're those under eye patches. So those will definitely be handy. I love using those. So this was one of the customization things, and I chose to buy, no, I chose this and then I paid the extra $10 so that I could get that Halston jewelry case. And this is the Oribe or Oribe, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. And this is the dry shampoo, and it is a full size. I know these are super expensive. This says $44 and that's US. So I've never tried the dry shampoo, but I've used quite a few of their other products, their texturizing sprays. So I'm super, super excited about this. This was one of my most anticipated things in this package because this is such a expensive brand, luxury brand. And last but not least, this also was a customization. You could choose from some fingerless gloves and kind of a hairband wrap, or this Moroccan Gold Series treatment hair mask. So I've been really into my Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner set that I just got, and I'm just really into Moroccan oil, so I know I'm going to really enjoy this. I'm not crazy about tub style masks. I find I use too much, but that's okay. So this has a $49 value, so I'm super excited to try this, and I'll keep you guys posted. So just a quick recap of my box that I got from last term, which was my fall box. I was a little disappointed in that one. I found, you know, it was a nice box, but out of all of it, I think I ended up only using the crown brushes, which were a customization piece. and the Beauty Blender. That was a huge hit for me. And the rest of the stuff I kind of didn't really use. But anyway, I'm super excited about all these things. The thing I'm most excited about, of course, is this dry shampoo, and there's some really neat stuff. If I hadn't already had this Bite lipstick, this would be a huge hit for me as well, but I definitely will pass this on to somebody else who will enjoy it. So anyway, that is my box for the winter season, and I will be getting another one in the spring, so stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!